Unlock the power of your story and bring it to life within the revolutionary Higgsfield environment. Today, we're diving deep into creating captivating videos with Higgsfield, your all-in-one solution for dynamic content production. First, let's lay the visual foundation. Navigate to the scene builder and begin importing your core assets. This could be 3D models, pre-render animations, or even still images. Next, we'll arrange our narrative flow. Utilize the intuitive timeline to drag and drop your important assets. Position each element precisely, defining the duration and order of your visual components to craft your engaging storyline. Now, let's inject life into your video. Explore the effects library to add dynamic visual flair. Think text animations that pop, particle systems that swirl, or atmospheric effects that set the mood. Experiment with these tools to elevate your visual storytelling. But a great video is more than just visuals. Switch to the audio mixer to fine-tune your soundscape. Import your background music, add sound effects for impact, and adjust voiceover levels right here, ensuring a crisp and professional audio experience. To truly captivate your audience, bring motion to your scenes. Use the Keyframe editor to precisely control camera movements, object transformations, and subtle animations. Even small adjustments can create a significant impact on viewer engagement. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to share it with the world. Head to the export settings and choose your desired video format and resolution. With a few clicks, Higgsfield will render your polished video, ready for upload and distribution. Mastering Higgsfield empowers you to create and share compelling content effortlessly. So start building, start engaging, and start inspiring today.